Good morning, student. We are explaining in chemistry study of compounds, that is hydrogen chloride gas and hydrochloric acid. And we are at the last topic, aqua regia. Before that, I had explained what happened when oxidizing agent like manganese dioxide react with hydrochloric acid, that is concentrate hydrochloric acid. You know that it's from manganese chloride, water and yellowish green color gas, that is chlorine gas. That is one test of the hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid. That is also one test. How can you identify that this acid contains chlorine or that is hydrochloric acid? That is also test. Not only here, when trilead tetraoxide react with hydrochloric concentrate hydrochloric acid, concentrate, it give 3PbCl2 lead chloride, now 4H2O water, and 3 to the 6 chlorine, here 8 chlorine, again chlorine gas, yellowish green color gas, that is chlorine gas. I have already explained about this. Now, what is the aqua regia, or mixture of or solution of or mixture of, solution of 1 part of nitric acid, 1 part of nitric acid and 3 parts of hydrochloric acid. This mixture is known as aqua regia. What I say? What is aqua regia? The mixture of 1 part of nitric acid and 3 part of hydrochloric acid, known as aqua regia. See that. How can you prepare aqua regia? According 1 part of the nitric acid, 1 part HNO3 and 3 part of hydrochloric acid, 3HCl. 1:3 ratio, like mathematics. Suppose x, what is the coefficient of x? So 1 is the coefficient of any variable. Now what X form? X form nitrosyl NOCl. Name is given nitrosyl chloride. In book page number 156. 156 page number, that is given nitrosyl chloride, and then water. See that 3 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, water, and X form 2H2 water and form nascent chlorine. Nascent chlorine is very reactive, and you know that some acid like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, they can't react with the noble metal. They can react with the metals. What are the noble metals like gold, platinum? These metals are called noble metals, and these metals never react with dilute or concentrate hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid or nitric acid. So we are making aqua regia. Now see that when noble metals like gold react with nascent chlorine, that is given, nascent chlorine, it form AuCl3, solution of gold chloride. This is solution of this. Similarly, platinum also react with, that is noble metals, react with the nascent chlorine. Find the solution of platinum chloride, PtCl4. This is also used for cleaning the platinum and gold, the solution of aqua regia. My dear student, what is aqua regia? The mixture of 1 part of the nitric acid and 3 part of the hydrochloric acid, known as aqua regia. It's from, when it's react, it's from nascent chlorine. This nascent chlorine react with the noble metals, means only aqua regia can react with the noble metals. It's clear? Now, how can you test the gas or acid is hydrochloric acid? See that? First test, this is a chemical test that you can do it in the chemistry lab. When the solution of ammonium hydroxide or glass rod dipped with the solution of ammonium hydroxide bring near the jar of hydrogen chloride gas, it's form white dense fume of ammonium chloride. White dense fume. Dense fume. You can find that one easily. White smoke like that way. Okay. White dense fume of ammonium chloride and what form? And water. And water. First test of the hydrogen chloride gas or hydrochloric acid. When you boil it, then vapor of the hydrochloric acid will come out. Second test, first test. Second, when it's react with silver nitrate solution, hydrochloric acid, when it's react with silver nitrate solution, it's give white precipitate of silver chloride. You are familiar with this reaction. Sign. White precipitate of silver chloride and what it's from? Nitric acid. Nitric acid. Silver chloride and it's from nitric acid. Sorry. Yes, only, yeah. No need of this silver chloride because Ag valency plus 1 and Cl also. Then formula will be AgCl. White precipitate of silver chloride. One more question is that how would you prepare nitric acid from hydrochloric acid? How would you prepare nitric acid from hydrochloric acid when it's react with metallic nitrate? It's give nitric acid. Not all nitrate, some nitrate. Third test, just I had explained, when it's react with oxidizing agent like magnesium dioxide, when it's react, it's give manganese chloride, water and yellowish green color gas, that is chlorine gas. Means three tests, these are important tests, and this test easily you can do it in the chemistry lab. Okay. Now usage of hydrochloric acid. These are the some points are uses already in book given. It is used for manufacture of dye, drugs, paint, formation of silver chloride precipitate, and general uses given in extraction of the metal like hydrochloric acid can dissolve calcium phosphate, some compounds also. Pickling of metal means for cleaning purpose. Also preparation of aqua regia, just I had explained. Use of hydrochloric acid, preparation of aqua regia. Now your chapter is going to be over. After that, see some exercise question. Already I said that page number 159. These questions are mostly board question. Page number 169. This question are board question. See, question number I am going to explain 2013. What question? Mostly I have explained. See that. Identify the gas evolve when potassium sulfide is created with hydrochloric acid. Potassium sulfide or sodium sulfide, when it's created with hydrochloric acid, what it's formed? Question is that identify the gas evolve. See that it's formed potassium chloride, K2Cl, 2 chlorine, and hydrogen, then water, and what is remaining? One oxygen combined with hydrogen. Means what is formed here? SO2, sulfur dioxide gas. Your observation question is that identify the gas evolve. So your answer will be that is the 2013 first part. Gas evolves sulfur dioxide gas. You can write the name of here, sulfur dioxide gas, or put the symbol here, sulfur dioxide gas evolve. Now in that second part is given concentrate hydrochloric acid is made to react with manganese. Just I have explained, concentrate hydrochloric acid react with manganese dioxide. Concentrate hydrochloric acid react with manganese dioxide oxide, X form magnesium, manganese dioxide, X form magnesium chloride and water and chlorine gas. So your answer will be first answer sulfur dioxide gas, second answer will be yellowish green color gas, chlorine gas. That is only asking. In answer you write only chlorine gas, here you write sulfur dioxide. I have explained the reaction how it's formed. Now 2013 second part given, state one appropriate observation when copper sulfide created with dilute hydrochloric acid. Same. See that copper sulfide created with dilute hydrochloric acid, X form copper chloride and hydrogen sulfide gas, rotten egg smell gas. Your answer is that. Only asking here, state one appropriate observation, X form sulfur dioxide gas. The smell of this gas is just like rotten egg. Okay, sulfur dioxide gas. B part, second B part given. Just I am going to remove this. Second B part given. Second part. This is the first part. This is second part. When a drop of dilute hydrochloric acid added with silver nitrate solution. This also I had explained in the test. When silver nitrate solution, hydrochloric acid, X form AgCl. You know that white precipitate of silver chloride. Your answer will be white precipitate of silver chloride. Silver chloride, and what form here? HNO3. No need to write the reaction. Only asking answer. White precipitate here. White precipitate PPT of silver chloride. That will be your answer. Clear? Now similarly, question number, this is 2013 first, second, each question having 2 parts, means 4 mark or 5 mark question. Next one, in 2014 first, what is given? Fill in the blanks from the choice in the bracket. Quicklime is not used to dry HCl gas because see that this already why quicklime phosphorus pentoxide does not use as a dry agent, because quicklime easily see that react with water and form is alkali. Alkali means that is here not asking that when quicklime react with hydrochloric acid, X form calcium chloride and water. Here is asking that fill in the blanks. Okay, the gas because C calcium oxide is alkaline, calcium oxide is acidic. That is wrong. Basic in nature. Calcium oxide is neutral. That is wrong. Answer is correct. Calcium oxide is alkaline. Only your answer will be calcium oxide will be alkaline. That is the answer only. Now 2014 second given, write balance equation acid action of hydrochloric acid with sodium sulfide. See that the question also like that. Sodium sulfide with 2HCl. Same answer. X form sodium chloride and roten additional gas, that is hydrogen sulfide gas. You see that mostly the question are repeated question. Next one, 2014, this one second. Third one given. Stick to your observation, dilute hydrochloric acid to the sodium carbonate. You know that when metallic carbonate or bicarbonate, metallic carbonate or bicarbonate, when react with hydrochloric acid to HCl, it forms that sodium chloride, water, and a gas that is carbon dioxide gas, which is colorless, odorless, tasteless gas, carbon dioxide gas. And fourth one given, fountain experiment. Okay. Next, fourth one given, fountain experiment. In diagram given, you have to explain the diagram. What is so that? It so that hydrogen chloride gas is highly soluble in water and acidic in nature. That is asking here. Now see, additional question given. All question are very easy question. See that, give the balance equation. Question number 20. Give balance equation to obtain hydrogen acid with metal, carbon dioxide, metallic carbonate with hydrochloric acid, sulfur dioxide, metallic sulfide with hydrochloric acid, hydrogen sulfide, metallic sulfide with hydrochloric acid. All answer are here given. Now, unit test paper. Give the unit test paper. Page number 160, 162. Mostly, each question are 5 mark question. In section A, in your chemistry, in section mostly question are coming from the unit test paper. See, give the reasons. Question number 2. Because this you have to write on your fair copy. Because question number 1, 2 you have to write. Second, fill in the blanks you can do on the book. In laboratory preparation of HCl, hydrochloric acid from NaCl and concentric sulfuric acid, the residual salt form at the temperature above 200 degrees Celsius form a hard crust and stick to a gas class. Already I have explained when rock salt react with concentric sulfuric acid, what happens if temperature will be more than 200 degrees Celsius. Remember that I have explained less than 2 and more than 2. In that condition, it forms sodium sulfate and 2HCl. This is the hard crust form. This salt is normal salt form. It is difficult to remove from the or clean from the glass apparatus. Second one, dense white fume. Just I say that when near the ammonia solution, when hydrogen chloride gas, when ammonia, a glass rod dipped with ammonia solution bring to the hydrogen chloride gas, it forms dense white fume of ammonium chloride and water. Answer is that it forms dense white fume of ammonium chloride. Similarly, question number 3, fill in the blanks. See that an aqueous solution of HCl gas is named, already you know that, muriatic acid. The salt obtained when rock salt react with concentric sulfuric acid, temperature below 200 degrees Celsius. Below 2 then forms sodium hydrogen sulfate. It means acidic salt. Acidic. The preparation of HCl from hydrogen acid from HCl gas, the funnel arrangement is provided to give more surface area, large surface area or more. An ion which imparted acid, hydronium ion. The indicator which does not change its color. You know that phenolphthalein, in that is colorless. And acidic medium it will be also colorless. I have explained in acid base chapter about the indicators, acid base indicator and universal indicator. My dear student, in compound 7th means hydrogen chloride gas and hydrochloric acid. over, and mostly I have explained you doubt whatever in Excel. After that I will start next compound ammonia in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.